Today we have a unboxing, review, and test of the Phomemo printer on the go. So this is meant to be able to print stuff literally wherever you want, in your hotel room, when you're traveling, you need to sign a document while you're at a customer and they don't have a printer, anything like that. So this is what the unzipped box looks like. Let's go ahead and take the main device out here. So it does hold power for 3 seconds, turn on printer, double click, remove paper. So it does have a lot of different instructions on it. It'll be curious to see how easy this thing is to actually use. It does come with a little bit of paper here. It is some sort of special paper, so you probably will have to buy that over time if you are going to use this printer. I will have the paper linked down below as well. They sent me a big pack here as well as sending this over for review, but there was no payment exchange. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can get some paper loaded into this. This paper, it has a very kind of like silky smooth feel to it. It's almost like laminated paper. So I'm gonna put this to the side and let's plug this in. So it automatically grabs that paper as I'm feeding it. That's interesting. Quickly, I'm going to walk you through how to set this up in the app, the Phomemo printer. So you got to get the app. You can scan a QR code in the instructions and it'll take you directly to the app. And then you get into the app and you hit start connection and boom, my printer showed right up there. So I just had to hit connect now. And then to load the paper, like you saw earlier, it auto loads. And then there's some easy pictures here that you can print to test it. And here you go as it starts. But I actually have the paper upside down here, so it is not printing correctly. So you want to have it where the words are on the top, and then this will work. So I printed another picture here, loading up this paper. Sometimes it's a little difficult, but hey, it doesn't use ink, so that's still worth it in my opinion. And then I go ahead and click on the picture, hit print, and it's that easy. It immediately starts to print again, and you can see here about how loud it is. And now you can see that it is actually printing on the other side. And I was actually surprised at how good the image quality was here, guys. I was expecting it to be kind of blurry around the lines, but in general, it looked very good. Nice dark blacks, crisp lines. And you'll see here shortly, there was actually some fading in the background that I thought was just a printer glitch, but it turned out that it was actually a part of the picture. So look at that. Looks very good. And here I'm looking at those little dots in the middle, but it turned out that this was actually trees in the background of this photo. You can see here. So very cool. I will have links for this printer down below and links to my other tech reviews in the top right. Thanks for watching.